I will always want
you.
Soldier boy, tell.
J's on my feet, you know it. J's on my feet, J's on my feet.
How do you feel about the cone in your head?
You wanna get a healthy snack, Rebecca?
I want Chipotle.
I said a healthy snack!
Okay.
How does it feel to be the worst cop ever, huh? Shut up, your mother buys you Mega Bloks instead of Legos. You fucking take that back.
So he broke up with me. Why are you looking up?
I need to cry, but my foundation was $48!
Nathan, if you worship louder in front of the other kids, I'll give you money. Our God is an awesome God!
And just remember, no one will ever be able to hate you more than you already hate yourself.
This coffee is bitter, like my soul. I need something black, like my soul. Fuck, it's cold, like my soul.
Would you rather kill Jen or—
Yes, kill her.
I didn't say the other—
I don't need to hear it. I'm feeling a little unsafe.
When you talk dirty to me.
Hey Mom, say who want lasagna?
Who? What lasagna?
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant. Oh! Get that education, bruh! Get that education, bruh! Hell yeah! Hell Fergie!
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at my—
Who's there? Nobody, fuck off!
Dude, I've heard rumors that these stairs are like haunted. Apparently some girl died here when she was like 9 or something.
I'm 11, so shut the fuck